Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Jha and I am going to discuss urinary antiseptics and the drugs useful in the treatment of sexually transmitted diseases. Urinary antiseptics. Some antimicrobial agents on oral administration attain high concentration only in the urinary tract and exert antibacterial activity locally. They are used to treat infections of urinary tract and are called urinary antiseptics. Common organisms involved in urinary tract infection are E. coli, Proteus, Klebsiella, and Pseudomonas. Methenamine. Methenamine is a prodrug. In acidic urine, it is hydrolyzed to ammonia and formaldehyde. Methenamine as a prodrug in which mandelic acid makes the urine acidic. When it acts on it, it produces formaldehyde in its active form plus ammonia. Formaldehyde acts as an antiseptic and inhibits both gram-positive and gram-negative organisms and produces bactericidal activity. It is ineffective against urea-splitting microorganisms, example Proteus species, as it increases urinary pH. To prevent the release of formaldehyde in the stomach, methenamine is administered as enteric-coated tablets. It is useful mainly for chronic suppressive therapy in recurrent urinary tract infection, particularly if the causative organism is E. coli. Methenamine is contraindicated in patients with hepatic insufficiency because of the release of ammonia. The adverse effects are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and even hematuria with high doses. The next drug is nitrofurantoin. It is a bacteriostatic agent and is more active in acidic pH. It is effective for the prophylaxis of UTI due to E. coli. It stains the urine brown. The common adverse effects are nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. The hypersensitivity reactions include fever, leukopenia, anemia, cholestatic jaundice, acute pneumonitis, and rarely polyneuropathy. The next drug is phenoxyperidine. It is not an antimicrobial agent, but it is a dye and it has an analgesic action in the urinary tract. It relieves pain, burning, urgency, and frequency of urination associated with cystitis. It makes the urine orange red, which is harmless. Occasionally, it may cause nausea and vomiting. Treatment of urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections are classified into lower UTI and upper UTI. In lower UTI, the infection is localized to urethra and bladder, whereas in upper UTI, the kidney tissue is also involved, which is known as pyelonephritis. Lower UTI is mainly of short course, mostly 3 to 5 days of antimicrobial treatment is adequate. But in upper UTI, the prolonged antimicrobial therapy is necessary, mostly 2 to 3 weeks. Treatment schedules: empirical therapy, acute cystitis, ciprofloxacin 250 to 500 mg, 12 hours oral for Q12H oral for 3 days, or norfloxacin 400 mg Q12H oral for 3 days, or ofloxacin 200 mg Q12H oral for 3 days, or cotrimoxazole DS Q12H oral for 3 days. Acute pyelonephritis: ampicillin 1 gram Q6H IV and gentamicin 1 mg per kg Q8H IV for 3 weeks, or ciprofloxacin 750 mg Q12H oral for 3 weeks, or ofloxacin 200 mg Q12H oral for 3 weeks, or cotrimoxazole DS Q12H oral for 3 weeks. In chronic pyelonephritis, drug regimen is similar to that for acute pyelonephritis, but duration of treatment is 3 to 6 months. Now, the drugs useful in the treatment of sexually transmitted diseases. The mechanism of action, pharmacokinetics, and the adverse effects of the individual drugs are described in respective chapters. The important drug regimens are: firstly, of the disease gonorrhea, the treatment schedule is ceftriaxone 150 mg intramuscular single dose, or cefixime 400 mg oral single dose, or azithromycin 1 gram oral single dose. The next disease is syphilis. In it we use benzathine penicillin IM single dose or doxycycline 100 mg oral BD for 2 weeks or injectable ceftriaxone 1 gram intramuscular for 1 week. Next is lymphogranuloma venereum. In it, the treatment schedule is doxycycline 100 mg oral BD for 3 weeks or azithromycin 1 gram oral once weekly for 3 weeks. Next is granuloma inguinale. In it, the treatment schedule is doxycycline 100 mg oral BD for 3 weeks or azithromycin 1 gram oral once weekly for 3 weeks or ciprofloxacin 750 mg oral BD for 3 weeks. The next disease is chancroid. In it we use azithromycin 1 gram oral single dose or ceftriaxone 250 mg intramuscular single dose or ciprofloxacin 500 mg oral BD for 3 days. Thank you.